Hey guys, welcome to Protocoders Point. Okay, so in this Flutter tutorial, we will implement a Flutter library called as Animated Text Kit that will help you in giving animation effect to your text widgets. Okay, so as you can see our app screen, there is a text widget that is been animated. The text effect name is Typer Animation Text. Okay, so what this will do is it will type each letter of this word of this font step by step, means as we type in typing, so it will give a animation typing effect. Okay, so in this library there are various kinds of effects, such animation effects that we are going to try in this video tutorial. So let's begin. Okay, so if you want to add this library in your Flutter app, so you need to add this library dependency in your project section. So just go, so I'm making use of Android Studio. So yeah, I have already created a Flutter app in my Android Studio. So just open pub.specification file. So under dependency section, just add this dependency animated underscore text underscore kit and the version name. Okay, so you can keep this version name empty. It will take the latest version automatically. Okay, so after adding this library, just hit this button, pub get button. So this library will be added in your Flutter project, so in your external library sections. Okay, so after adding this dependency, so where you want this animation text to be implemented, so on that page you need to import the library, so as I have done over here. Okay, so this is my basic code. Okay, so here I have just a scaffold widget, a app bar, and I under body section. So to wrap this, to make this text at the center, so I'm making use of center widget. So in center widget child, I am making use of text animated kit library widget. Okay, so what first of all I will, so I think the text is not visible to you guys, so I will just increase the font size of this. Okay, so now you can see the font size. So I will just wrap this whole widget in a squared box. So for that I will just wrap it into sized box, and I will give width of something 250 dp. Okay, so as you can see, now you can see properly. Okay, so let's try the different animation uh, properties of this. Okay, so if you go to this properties, so just press Ctrl and press the mouse button. So here it will go into your project, means this library code. So here there are various properties that you can customize. So by default, there are various properties. So this animation will effect, means repeat for 3 times. So this is the default repetition. Means if you don't provide any properties by yourself, so it will repeat for 3 times. This is the default. So as you can see, repeat forever is made to false by default. So in my code, I am making it to true so that the animation keeps on repeating. Okay, so if you want to repeat the animation for certain number of times, so you can just use this property. So here you can use it repeat count as 5 times. Okay, so if you want to use this property, you need to remove this, means repeat. Okay, so now the animation will repeat just for 5 times. Okay, so if I wait for repeating the 5 times, so it will, the video length will be more. Okay. Okay, so next property is pause. The pause property, what it will do is, so if you can observe over here, when the animation is finished, it will wait for 1 second and the next animation will start, means it will repeat. So by default it is 1000 milliseconds, means 1 second. Okay, so we have set it to 5, count was 5, so it repeated for 5 times and stopped automatically. Okay, so if you want to keep a pause between the next animation effect, so you can change this in your main code. Pause duration milliseconds, you can make it as something 2.5, means now the gap between the next animation will be uh, 2.5 seconds. Okay, and this is display full text on tab. Okay, so by default it is false, so we'll try it. Display on tab, we will make it to true and we will check it. So it is running now. So when I press on this text, it will display whole text. Okay, so it is repeating. I am pressing on this text, so it is showing immediately the full font. Okay, this is, and one more property is there on tab. So what should happen when the user press on this animation text widget? So here you can uh, perform any events or any action you want to perform. So I will just print and show you. Okay, so I'm pressing on this. So you can see over here it the on tab function got executed. And next property that is not required, it's okay. So one more property we can make use of, on finish. This will work same as on tab, means on finish means when the animation finish, what action you need to take, you can perform it over here. Okay, something like this you can do it. So when the animation will end, means complete animation will come to end, this function will get executed. Okay, so that's all, means the properties of this animated text kit. So let's try the different animation effects you can make use of in this library. Okay, so I will just remove this animation effect and add different one, that is rotate animation text. The text you want to print, hello world. Okay, so I will just add two more animation effect. Okay, so I will restart the app now. Okay, so as you can see, this is rotating. Okay, so the pause second is 2 seconds, so for 2 seconds there is no animation effects been shown. So I can make it to 2 milliseconds, we can say 20 milliseconds. Okay, so as you can see, it will this the advantage of this library is you can uh, add more than two animation effects. It will work in the loop order, means the first will be displayed and it will be invisible, then it will repeat this, it will go here, it will go over here, and it will be continued until 5 repetitions. Okay, so as you can see, this is happening. So this is the rotate animation effect. This is fade animation effect. So let's check it. Do it right now. So right do it right and do it right now will be displayed to a user. And one more effect is there, the scale effect. It will be something like zooming effect to a user. So you can see over here, think, build, ship. Okay. These are the properties that you can make use of. Okay, so if you want to try different animation effect, you can visit the official website of this package library. So the link will be in the description below. So there are various animation effects such as this waves, the liquid animation, the color text, and this I have shown you. Okay, so you can try this awesome library of Flutter for animating text. Okay, so that's all for this video tutorial. Hope you got the concept, and was this video helpful for you? Just comment down below. Please do subscribe Protocoders Point.